Here I have Honor X6, and today I'm going to show you how to set this device up. So to do this, firstly you have to select preferred language. I'll just stay with English, tap get started. Then you can select your region, could be Angola, or maybe, I don't know, Argentina, Austria. Tap next. Then tap on I have carefully read and agree to the above terms. Tap next. Then you can insert SIM card, but if you don't have SIM card on, you can just skip this step and do this later. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but you can also skip this step and do this later, or just don't do this at all if you don't want to. Then you have to set up date and time. Then you have Google services. I suggest you to disable these switchers and tap accept. Skip for now. Tap next. Then you can set up device protection, but you can also do this later in settings if you want to. Skip. Then you tap no thanks. Then later. Then later, enable and continue. Then you have gesture navigation, tutorial. So if you know how it's done, you can pass it easily like this. If you don't know, just follow the instructions. So yeah, and now setup is finished. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.